One simple symbol choice in CSS can break your entire styling strategy. Let's talk about class selectors versus ID selectors. Class selectors start with a dot notation. You write dot followed by the class name, like dot button or dot card. The beauty of classes is they're completely reusable. You can apply the same class to 10 different elements, 100 different elements, and they'll all share those styles. Think of classes as reusable style templates that you can stamp onto any element that needs them. ID selectors use a hash symbol instead. You write hash followed by the ID name, like hash header or hash main content. But here's the critical difference. IDs must be unique. Each ID should only appear once per page. It's like a social security number for your HTML elements. If you use the same ID twice, you're violating HTML standards and creating potential JavaScript bugs. Now here's where things get interesting. ID selectors have much higher specificity than class selectors. In the CSS specificity hierarchy, an ID selector beats a class selector every single time. This means if you have conflicting styles, the ID rule will always override the class rule. This is why many developers avoid IDs entirely. They're too powerful and make your styles harder to override later. So when do you use each? Use classes for styling. They're flexible, reusable, and work beautifully with component-based design. Use IDs sparingly, mainly for JavaScript hooks or page anchors. Modern CSS best practices favor classes almost exclusively. Your future self will thank you for the flexibility. Remember, classes with dot notation for reusable styles, IDs with hash for unique elements and higher specificity. Master this distinction, and you'll write cleaner, more maintainable CSS. Subscribe for more interview prep content. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.